Let's learn how many types of family and family tree for kids project. Nuclear family consists of two parents and their children. Father, mother, son, daughter. Extended family includes relatives beyond the immediate family, such as grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins. Grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, uncle, aunt, son, daughter, daughter. Single-parent family, one parent raising one or more children. Mother, daughter, daughter. Childless family, a couple without children. Father, mother, grandparent family, grandparents raising their grandchildren. Grandfather, grandmother, daughter, daughter.